It looks like my 20-year-old bird, Cockatiel, seems to have recovered rapidly. Or, sorry, I'm just showing some stuff. Benji! But he's still got a strange beak. Hey, hello. Yeah, look at his beak. It's full of junk. Even though I cleaned your house out, and yeah, I've got a bit of a cold. I don't know. Anyway, what you doing, Ben? Do what you... What were you doing before? He goes wherever the bag is. Oh, the moonwalk! Yay! See? Managed to get it, finally. I just can't zoom in, even after 2 years. Or a year. Would you like a rubby? A rubby? But I do worry about him. So, anyway, it's just a quick update. What have you done, Ben, to my toilet paper? Ugh. Where's Mr. Spongy? SpongeBob Benji? Benji! I love you guys.